Stop scrolling. What if I told you the YouTube game has changed? What if you could tap into millions of views, build a real online income, without ever showing your face or spending a dime on fancy software? I know it sounds crazy, but I've cracked the code. I've discovered a powerful combination of completely free AI tools that can turn anyone into a YouTube automation powerhouse. Forget the gurus selling overpriced courses, this is the real deal. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system I use to create videos that have the potential to go viral. This isn't about overnight riches, it's about building a sustainable, automated YouTube income stream. Ready to see the magic? Let's dive in. Phase 1. The Viral Idea Generator Gemini. Google Gemini. Head straight to google.gemini.com. Think of this as your personal brainstorming partner, but on steroids. See that? Gemini isn't just writing scripts, it's helping you identify viral potential from the start. Phase 2. Instant Video Creation in Video AI. Next, go to ai.invideo.io. This is where your idea transforms into a visually stunning video. And yes, the free plan is surprisingly powerful. The key here is to experiment with different settings and AI voices to find a style that's both engaging and unique. Don't settle for the first thing InVideo spits out, refine it to be unique. Phase 3. The Visual Upgrade Pexels Free, High-Quality Assets. Head over to pxls.com. Forget generic stock footage. We're looking for visuals that are captivating, relevant, and can enhance the emotional impact of your video. Think about what will make people stop scrolling. High-resolution, visually interesting clips are crucial for grabbing attention in those crucial first few seconds. Phase 4. The Viral Polish CapCut, your editing powerhouse. Now, for the final stage where we transform a good video into a share-worthy sensation. You have two incredible options here. CapCut Mobile, if you prefer editing on the go. The CapCut mobile app is packed with powerful features for adding effects, text, captions, and more right from your phone. CapCut Desktop, for a more convenient editing experience with CapCut tools. The CapCut Desktop version is the ultimate choice. It allows for more intricate editing, precise control over your timeline, and can handle larger projects with ease. Whichever version you choose, focus on making your video visually engaging, easy to follow, and packed with elements that will keep viewers hooked until the very end. By using these free AI tools strategically and focusing on creating truly engaging content from the very beginning, you can significantly increase your chances of going viral. This isn't just about automation, it's about smart content creation. The key is to tap into trending topics, create emotionally resonant content, or offer something truly unique and valuable. These tools are the how, your creative idea is the what. If you're ready to take your YouTube game to the next level and unlock the potential for massive growth, then smash that like button, subscribe to Billy Cash Daily right now, and hit that notification bell. I'm constantly dropping new strategies to help you dominate YouTube.